Williamson County State District Judge Ken Anderson faced an arrest affidavit warrant this afternoon. That is, a judge ruled that Anderson deliberately withheld evidence in the Michael Morton case. Anderson was the district attorney of Williamson County back in 1987 when Morton was wrongfully convicted for his wife's murder. Morton spent 25 years in a Texas prison before DNA evidence set him free. Morton was on hand for today's decision, and he spoke with KXAN's Robert Maxwell.
And Robert, we are still awaiting on the emergence of Judge Ken Anderson, not from his chambers, but from the county jail here behind me, where he underwent a mugshot just a little while ago. The judge judging the judge in this court of inquiry issued what's essentially an arrest warrant, saying that there's enough evidence to try Ken Anderson on the following: criminal contempt of court, withholding evidence, and tampering with government records. Now, the judge also signed 3 $2,500 bond notices. Outside court, right after the ruling, Michael Morton himself hugged his new wife Cynthia and said, "Honeymoon time." And just before that, he was thoughtful, summing up an appeal process that started in 2004.
We all should stand up for what we have done and said, and that no one is above the law. I've said that I don't want Ken Anderson's head on a stick, and that's true. The system is going to do what the system does, but hopefully this will make it somewhat easier and give some motivation for our state legislators to pass a few bills that are before them right now.
And indeed, the Michael Morton Act is before the Texas legislature. It compels prosecutors to release as much evidence as safely possible to defense attorneys in the court in important felony cases like the Michael Morton case. As for the court of inquiry today, the defense, as expected, plans to appeal representing Ken Anderson. At 6 coming up, we'll hear from Morton's attorney himself, who says that the Texas judicial system today is in a far better place. For now, we're live outside the Williamson County Court and Jail. Robert Maxwell, KXAN News.